So today we are going to be talking about machine learning and artificial intelligence. And we have some questions here around the topic. So let's proceed. The first question is, what is the difference between artificial intelligence and machine learning?
That's really good. That's a good question. So there could be a lot of confusion. You may just see the abbreviations AI, ML. So maybe I'll take machine learning first.
Okay.
So machine learning basically means that you can teach a machine to learn. Now, how does a machine learn?
Machine learning.
It learns from a data set, usually. So what we're talking about here is that there's usually a lot of data that a machine can process and start to get an idea of what that data says or what it would learn from that data. And then, over time, it could learn and change what it has learned through new data as it comes in.
Yeah, so the way I also like to share this is like how you would teach a kid, for example. Like, for example, like, do you know what a lion looks like? And the kid would usually say, yeah, of course I know what a lion looks like. And like, why do you know how a lion looks like that? And it's like, oh, because they've seen pictures of it, they've seen videos of it, or they've been to a zoo with a lion, right? And same thing with an elephant, same thing with other kinds of animals. You teach kids what something looks like by giving it examples like pictures and videos and real life. Likewise, a machine, you can teach it as well. What a profile of a person who will eventually click on a YouTube ad looks like based on like
Yeah.
examples of
Yeah.
what this person or profile looks like.
Or
So,
people who might be likely to buy something based
Yeah.
on their past purchase history.
yes, for example, if you look at the data and you give the computer examples of people who eventually bought cooking pans, previously bought a stove and a gas range. I think it's the same thing, right?
Yeah.
And the machine then learns, oh, if anybody buys like a gas range, then show them an ad of a cooking pan, right? So that's how a machine learns based on examples.
Okay, and artificial intelligence then.
Okay, so artificial intelligence is actually a broader topic. If machine learning is this, artificial intelligence encompasses
Yeah.
machine learning, meaning AI is anything that exhibits smartness or intelligence, but is not like human or
Yeah.
biological
Artificial.
per se. Yeah, so it's artificial.
Yeah.
So machine learning is part of that. There are other things in artificial intelligence like programs.
Yeah.
For example, like the chess. Have you ever played chess against a computer?
Yeah.
That's artificial intelligence, but
Yeah.
that's not machine learning. That's just a program.
Right. Or maybe more recently you saw Go, the game Go, or
Yeah,
the
but
game Dota 2.
that's machine learning though.
Yes.
Yeah, that's machine learning. The machine learned how to play Go by given examples, and also there's a reinforcement learning there where it played against itself, learning something. So those are, I would say, that's machine learning. But artificial intelligence is the broader, like,
Umbrella over it.
yeah. So yeah, everything about machine learning is artificial intelligence, but not all artificial intelligence is machine learning.
Correct.